Raise a requisition from a supplier's catalogue. Before you can place an order with a supplier in Purchase Plus, you first need to raise a requisition or a request to purchase. This requisition will then need to be approved by the appropriate person before turning into a purchase order to be sent to the supplier. Click on the Documents section of the menu and then on Requisitions to go to the Requisition screen. To create a new requisition, click on the green Plus Requisition button in the top left corner of the screen. In the Use Products From drop-down, you can select the type of requisition you want to create. To raise a requisition from a supplier's catalogue, select My Suppliers from the drop-down. From the List drop-down, select the supplier you want to order from. If your organisation has multiple delivery addresses, select the address you want your products delivered to. The expected delivery date will default to tomorrow. To change it, click on the calendar icon. This is the date that will appear on your purchase order. Normally, you will leave the Send to Supplier checkbox ticked, as this is what dictates if the purchase order or orders are sent to the supplier from Purchase Plus. However, if you are creating a requisition for a product that you need to order from an external website or over the phone and do not want a purchase order to be sent to the supplier from Purchase Plus, you will need to untick this checkbox. Please note that even if you untick this checkbox, the Send button must still be pressed on Purchase Plus. The reference field is optional. However, if using Sun Accounts Payable System, this field will populate in the description field in Sun. Then click Save. In the header of the requisition, you need to select your department from the Department drop-down, as this will dictate the approval workflow. You also need to select the appropriate GL code from the Accounts drop-down. In the body of the requisition, you will see the products in the supplier's catalogue. You can search for products using the Search Requisition Lines search box. Once you have found the product you want to order, click in the Quantity column in the product line. Enter the desired quantity and hit Enter on your keyboard. To go back to viewing the entire catalogue, delete the text in the search box and hit Enter. To add more products to your requisition, locate the products and enter the quantities. You can see your order value total under the Total column. If you want to assign a product line to a different department or charge it to a different account code to that in the header, scroll to the right. Click in the Department and Account columns to select the appropriate department and account code, and then hit Enter on your keyboard. You can also add delivery instructions to the product lines by clicking in the Order Instructions column. When you are ready to send your requisition for approval, click the Submit button. A pop-up will then appear listing the person or people who need to approve your requisition before it can turn into a purchase order. If you are an approver for your department, the approval screen will appear, allowing you to immediately approve your requisition by clicking on the Approve button.